Hey, good day to you. This is Rian, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish movement. There's a market consolidation over here, and this is definitely the area for traders to look at. If you're looking for a shorting opportunity, this will be the level 1463 thereabout. To observe and make sure it doesn't break and close above 1748. And of course, if you're looking for buying opportunity, you have to wait for the market to break and close above 1.1748. Then you can wait for retracement for your buying opportunity. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what you have on the 4-hour chart. It is still a bearish movement. Market has a bit of consolidation that happens. Well, you can wait for a retest of the previous high if you're a structure-based trader for a shorting opportunity. And of course, you can wait for it to come back down at 1.1128 for your buying opportunity. And to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Very lovely structure. And at the level of 1.1322, you can wait for confirmation. Remember, be patient. All right, you can scan these QR codes. It will bring you to our Telegram channel. On top of the channel, there is a pin link that will bring you to our student portal over here. And if you scroll down further, you get to access our free training with no obligation, meaning to say that there's no need for you to trade with particular brokerage, trading houses, or do whatsoever. And of course, the only thing I ask for, if you find that this content is helpful for you, share this with your friend. Remember to follow me on my Instagram account, that's Raylim, and Twitter as well. All right, there will be perhaps a bit of additional contents I'm going to produce and provide on Twitter space. Still thinking about it, because it's a whole new level of commitment. So I'll see the number of shares, the requests, and whoever they are interested, I'll come up with interesting topics and let's see how it goes. All right, so if you scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas. And what's really interesting in these trading ideas is that well, you see the target tool, many of times that our trading ideas produce a more than 2:1. All right, and over here you can say that it's 7:1. So what does it mean? Every dollar I risk in my trade, my potential returns is $7.47. That's how you read it. All right, so let's not talk about 7:1 because these are rare occurrence. It does happen maybe about 4, 5, 6 times a year. But the 2-1 ratio happens almost every trade. There are at times there are trades that doesn't fulfill that, but when you see me engaging those trades, many of times the returns, the rate of returns is very, very high, meaning to say that the profitability is super high because those are specific trading setup that meets a lot of my filters, and that's why despite it breaks one of my major rules as you engage it. So having a 2-1 ratio, that also means that I just need a 40% accuracy to be profitable. That remove or significantly reduce the level of stress, all right, I have in trading. And so it does to my students as well. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart and let me share with you my analysis of the week. All right, so over here on the daily chart, what we have is a potential butterfly pattern. I love this pattern, waiting for confirmation of 1.2573, although there's another way of reading it, a bullish bet pattern that completes somewhere around this zone. Back to the retest, hopefully it doesn't happen. Let's see how it goes. To the 4-hour chart, I remember last week I did say about this bearish shark pattern. Most likely it's not going to happen. I'm rooting for the bullish bet. Correct, but what I do as a trader, I still place the pending order in. I still place the analysis in. I still place the dotted line in and alert in for me and for my students to look into this possibility. And it did happen, correct? So if you're engaged on a later price because market went up, came back down, hover and you see this and engage it somewhere over here, then you have a potential of 330 pips, or you wait for candle close over here, 263 pips for this trade. All right, even though we don't see it coming, but the setup candlesticks analysis do show us that potential. And of course at 1.1388 right now, I'm waiting for a candlesticks confirmation for me to head in for a shorting opportunity. Mind that this is a 4-hour chart. You need a certain level of what you call a patience for you to ride on this trade, correct? and that also means that the C point has really changed. You know, if you're in my community, there's nothing much for you to worry about, because it is still a bad pattern. It's just that this box will move by a bit, and I'll drop you a note on that. All right, so to the 1 hour chart, well, another possibility we have, or rather two possibility we have, is a shorting opportunity at 1.1322. In order for me to do that, to short it within this supply zone, or to be straightforward, a sell zone, then I will need to see a double top that happens over here with a RSI divergence before hitting for a short. We will already have RSI divergence, but I still need a double top to engage it. That's just my rule. And if it break and close above this region, then I'm waiting for a bearish shark pattern that has to touch 1.1507 before anything can happen. So you can see that over here, as a trader in Forex 100, it's not like, hey, gut feel, or you say, hey, look at this candle, you know, and let's hit for a short, so, you know, this is my experience. No, everything is written rules, everything there's a condition, everything there's a reason behind it. And of course, if you're looking to learn the real stuff about trading, drop me a note. We will schedule a call and see if you're a good fit before we accept you as our students. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always play your trade and trade your plan. Take care.